Is this budget grow light worth it? SZHLUX 500W LED review. Are you looking for a powerful grow light without breaking the bank? We're diving deep into the SZHLUX 500W LED grow light to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get growing. The SZHLUX 500W LED grow light is designed for indoor gardeners seeking a budget-friendly, full-spectrum lighting solution. It supports all growth stages from seedling to bloom. It features 1056 diodes, a built-in timer, and temperature control. This grow light is ideal for small to medium grow tents, offering 4x4 FT flowering coverage and 5x5 FT vegetative coverage. It aims to provide high performance without the premium price tag. Let's explore its key features and performance. This grow light boasts 1056 Samsung LM281B plus diodes, including UV and IR, mimicking natural sunlight. It supports all growth stages with over 95% light absorption. Its high energy efficiency of 2.7 UmJ ensures strong light output. The built-in temperature sensor automatically adjusts light bars to prevent overheating. The timer function allows for automated on-off cycles, simplifying plant care. Adjustable hanging height optimizes PPF for different plants. The SZHLUX 500W LED grow light covers 4x4 FT for flowering and 5x5 FT for vegetative growth. The actual power draw toggles between 260W, 400W, and 490W. Each light bar consumes approximately 44W. Users report that the light is intense, often requiring them to raise it from 2 FT to 4 FT. The fanless design ensures quiet operation, perfect for indoor environments. It uses efficient heat dissipation with individual power supplies per bar. With a 4.3-star rating from over 200 reviews, the SZHLUX 500W LED grow light has garnered mixed feedback. Many users praise its value for money and the quality of light it provides. Some appreciate the timer function and easy setup. However, some customers have reported issues with the temperature sensor and detachable cord. One user even reported a fire hazard after extended use. For more details, check out the reviews on the product page. The pros include affordability at $0.36 per watt, full spectrum lighting with UV and IR, and temperature control. It also features a quiet, fanless design and wide coverage for 4x4 or 5x5 grow tents. The cons include the lack of a dimmer, potential timer unreliability, and the absence of UL CSA safety certifications. Some users have also raised concerns about the detachable cord. The SZHLUX 500W LED grow light offers a compelling balance of performance and affordability. While it has some drawbacks, its plant-friendly spectrum and protective temperature controls make it a strong contender for budget-conscious growers. If you're looking for a cost-effective grow light with smart features, this could be a worthy addition to your setup. Check the latest price and customer reviews on Amazon. Ready to take your indoor gardening to the next level? Click the link in the description to check out the SZHLUX 500W LED grow light on Amazon and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews.